Shrek is an ogre created by Pixar. Ogres are supposed to be just a myth. But God revealed in some prophets that Shrek is apparently based on a real demon. There is indeed a real Shrek demon, and anybody who watched that movie, Shrek, gets cursed by that demon. God told me a while back that demons manifest themselves on movies, novels, and cartoons so that they can lead many people astray. Labubu is no exception. She is in fact a real-life demon from Norse mythology, a dark elf. Dark elves are evil creatures that had been practicing witchcraft. They specialize in cursing people. When a dark elf likes a person, he or she will become obsessed with that person. They will do whatever it takes just to get that person they like. What they do is that they will kidnap that person and take them to